Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can schedule your posts on YouTube. Yes, all the platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and now YouTube has a way to make a post on kind of your community tab or your feed in Facebook, your main Instagram as well. And if you have a YouTube channel, this is the way that you can do it. In this channel, you will find content that will help you grow personally, professionally, and in your business. If you're interested in this kind of content, consider subscribing, clicking on that red button down below so you can see tutorials, how to help you grow in your business and use certain tools that will help you, and also how to help you grow personally. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do in order to have a community tab on your YouTube channel is to have above 1,000 subscribers. Once that you've reached this goal, now you will have this community tab that I'm gonna show you just now. I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel now. You will go to your channel and then you will go to select at the top right of your YouTube. You will select your picture profile and then you will select your channel here, and once that you've selected that, you will go at the top right in the menus that are at the top. You will see home, videos, playlists, and then community, and you will be able to schedule your posts from there. Let's share a behind the scenes photo, and I'm just gonna say that I am recording this. And I'm gonna schedule it for an after video. As you can see on the top of the screen, it says my channel name, and then at the right it says post at the top, and it says public below post, and then you can switch to all channel members only, or you can cancel, and then you have a clock right there, and once that you tap on it, you can select when and at what time do you want this post to be scheduled. You will select a date, let's say for today, and let's say at 6 p.m. I'm gonna select the time here. I'm gonna click on OK. I have the right time zone, so I leave that as it is, and I click on done. So you can schedule a post by going to your community tab, and then you click on schedule posts, and then you will select schedule a post. That's one way to do it. You can also click from here where it says try showing members a sneak peek of your next video, and you can click on the little clock that is right there, and you can just select the date, the time, and the local time or time zone, right? Then let's select 6:15. I'm gonna click done. Right now it's 6:12, and I'm gonna let my audience know that there's a new video coming up tomorrow, and I'm gonna add this picture right here, and I'm gonna reposition this to just select. I'm gonna click on save, and I'm gonna click on schedule. It's 1 minute left for the schedule time, so right now it says one scheduled post, and I'm gonna be refreshing when it's the due time. At the moment I've scheduled posts before and they have been posted successfully, so I have had no issues with that, and this is a feature that I was actually expecting that YouTube will add soon. It's 6:15 now, so let's see if I refresh. There it is. There it is, and you can see it on my screen right there, and it says 5 seconds ago, and it's there. This is what I am sharing with you today, how you can schedule a post on your community tab for your YouTube channel. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye!